Alright, so when we're doing a Pinecrest Shake directed deck layout, we'll do the following steps. First we're going to go ahead and put our Eave drip edge down, wrap my corners, fasten that every 16 inches. Then we're going to come back with a code approved underlayment coming over the top of that drip edge. Then we'll go ahead and take our Rake drip edge, wrap those corners, and fasten those every 16 inches as well. And then we're going to go ahead and come up and mark 14 inches. The Pinecrest Shake has a 14.5 inch exposure. We need a 1/2 inch overhang, so that's why we go 14 inches and chalk that line. Then we're going to come back with our Rake channel. Now when I'm doing my Rake channel, you'll see here it's got a locator, drip locator, so it's just going to come on the drip edge just like so. Well, one thing we also want to do with our Rake channel is give it a squeeze and make sure it's nice and tight before we put it on. So then we'll come back, make sure I have approximately 1 inch overhang, and then we'll fasten with our washer and screws every 16 inches on the outside channel. Then we're going to go ahead and come back with our gutter riser, and we can just butt that with the Rake channel and we'll go flush with my drip edge. Fasten every 16 inches.